Welcome back. This is live trading on 7/28/2025. So yeah, just gonna narrate as I normally do for myself. I will say that this weekend I reflected a lot on my strategy, um, and I've updated it a lot to allow myself to be much more discretionary. Um, I wouldn't say allow myself, like force myself to be. And maybe force is the wrong word, but like I must be discretionary with this strategy. So, and that's how I believe is best to trade anyway. So basically, what I'm doing is I've defined like two things. What I basically knowing what to pay attention to, and then knowing how to react. Those are the two things that I've defined. Basically, what I'm paying attention to, and then um, how to manage risk around those. And it not being a plan but a system. So um, yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I'm very excited to. It's the same general strategy. It's just a shifted perspective. This is trade into sixth. That's fine. We're in this NWOG. I don't really want to draw it, but something like. I mean, I know we're in the NWOG, so there's just the 30 just opened up. Let's trade into this M15 low. I'd be interested, like if it made the lower low. If it made the lowest low there, I'd be interested in it, but um, this is interesting. Um, wow. Well, um, I don't really know to be honest. Like, I mean, I just see like honestly, I just see bullish closes. It's more bullish than bearish. Weekly, like, I don't anticipate trading into that fair value gap. To be honest, not right now. I thought it would after this, but then it just pushed away. So we'll see what goes on. This is a pretty big New Week's opening gap. Okay, hold on a second. I mean, I would actually, yeah. In terms of the 4 hour, I don't even know what volume is doing. That was, I mean, it looked actually like I was about to enter that, to be honest, but it's given not that vibe yet. So, but yeah, I mean, trade in, made the lowest low. Oh yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, if it held up there, I would have been just fine. But we'll see if it creates a fair value gap. I really just want to see a fair value gap out of that. It's not a fair. This is not a fair value gap, but it is an inefficiency. So it is kind of like an IRL ERL. I'll treat it like an IRL ERL, but with a little less weight to it. Um, yeah, I probably depending on the reaction. We'll see how the reaction goes. It's 15-minute fair value gap right in here. London high. Asia high is taken. I should probably draw out previous daily and previous weekly and all that too. Let's just see. I think that was previous weekly high. Yeah. That's previous weekly high. So exchange liquidity. Previous day low is right here. Am I tripping? No. It's previous day as well. Okay. So watch this. I want to see like if we put a fair value gap. There's a lot of volume. There is a lot of volume coming in on that. Kind of. I mean, these are big volume candles. Slowing down though, we'll see like what comes from it. Definitely always need a fair value gap though, like some sort of displacement. Also, I've changed the trading time to be just the first hour of the session, just because I think that's just highly logical. It's just like, think just like 1 hour. Like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? 1 hour. So, I'm just going to be doing 1 hour. Oh, why did I delete that? I didn't mean to delete that. Still no fair value gaps being put in. This does look like, you know, potential market maker model. Just, I'll gladly give it some space and some time for this. London High is still pretty far away. It's bullish order flow. It's following through as well. I still need to see a displacement. It's looking like that might do it. We'll see. Put a neutral risk on this. If it does hold, okay. All right. Put the stop loss right at this. Take profit up here. All right. Two, 3, 5, 8, 4, 75. 23, 5, 8, 4, 75. Alright. Working on tighter stops as well, so it's like I would have put it here, but I'm like, I'll put it there because I see if it's gonna go here, it's likely gonna go there eventually. So we have a fair value gap. Had some follow through at this point. See what happens. But a neutral risk. It's not a full aggressive risk, but yeah, we'll see. And that's neutral just because of the size and clarity of the displacement, as well as the 4-hour not being the absolute clearest. It's looking pretty bearish, to be honest. See if that'll take it out or keep going. I feel like it's hard to see on this compared to normal. All right, well, got tagged on that. 300. That's fine. Get rid of this for just a second, just to keep viewing it. Let's just see. I mean, at this point, it's swept liquidity. Let's put in a inverted fair value gap. And no displacement yet, though. So, let's see what goes on here. I'd want to see it like hold up into here. If I were to re-enter, like reclaim this, hold up into these levels. But I want to see something pretty clear. I would say that if it was to close above this, I would re-enter. Stop loss. Uh, check check the order flow. Jesus Christ. I'd put the stop loss right at that low, actually. Right here. Let's see. This is 375, 60. Alright, that's very likely going to hold, so just put it right here. I mean, hold for the last 10 seconds, that's all I'm saying. And then this will be, this is last trade of the day. Stop loss is right here. I'm actually going to move it to right there. I'm going to move it to this low, because I think if it goes to this low, it's going to go to there. I don't know why this is so hard to see. Why isn't it? Alright. I'm going to go up here. 585. Might be getting memed. Might be getting memed today. Let's see. I really need to blow my nose. My idea is like, if prices go to here, it's likely going to eventually go here. So stop is just right at that low. Feels a little tight. I'm being a lot more tight than I normally, or than I have in the past. So, but it's just the point. That's pretty high volume, right? I mean, damn, definitely is. Yeah. It's doing exactly the same thing that it did on the last entry, to be honest. But it didn't take out this high, did it? No. Oh, no way, bro. Please don't tell me it just... Fuck. That's not good. God damn it. That really sucks. Are you fucking kidding me? Just doubled my fucking loss. Ah, that is so annoying. Wow, that was really ass. I'm not gonna lie. That was fucking ass. That actually sucks ass. All right, well, definitely done on that. Fucking got kind of railed, to be honest. It's about $17,000. Whatever. Jesus fucking Christ. What a great. This is a great start to this is like quite the meme, to be honest. Look at that shit. I guess that is like kind of an advanced market structure low. So maybe that was a little dumb. Bro, that really sucked. I'm not gonna lie. Doubled that loss. God, my nose is so stuffed. I'll sit here and just watch this for a little. I'm done trading. This is way too big of a loss. But I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, there's some aspects of this game I can't control, and that is one of them. And it sucks ass, like, to have that big of a loss. But that, like, I literally can't control that. That's one aspect of it that I can't control. So I just come back. This is rare. It's rare to get that horrendous of slippage. Like, that was absolutely horrendous. Like, absolutely at the bottom of the wick. Horrible. Horrible slippage. So, I mean, I do actually like want to keep trading, but obviously I'm not gonna. So I'm just gonna end it on that. This is insane markets. Look at these. Look at this. This is absolute madness. Absolute madness. There's a risk reward on this. I would have trailed to that low, no doubt. So it would have been loss on that too. Wow. Okay. I have a feeling it might just like absolutely push if it continues that squeeze, but well, I mean, it sucks horrendously, but in a way, it's kind of cool because I've never seen slippage that fucking horrendous in my life. So that's, uh, I guess, look at that, the literal bottom of the wick, like it's like below the bottom of the wick. I guess there's a little bit of a spread, right? Just tiny bit, so it's below the bottom of the wick. Oh, great! It's fantastic. All right. Well, I don't need to really see anything else. I mean, if it goes, it goes. That is not really. There's no more risk to put on the day. Um, I did see this, but I just didn't think it was like that important, to be honest. Um, so it'd be interesting, like, I mean, if I were in another trade, I would be entered like that. Stops right here. But yeah, not in that, so I'm not gonna draw it. All right, well, I kind of want to see what 10's gonna do, but I'm gonna see that off the camera. So yeah, definitely done, and yeah, we'll see. This is quite the initiation to the fucking week, to be honest. We'll see what comes out of this.